inside out technique using a sharp shooter. Okay, good. Go ahead and hold on my scope, please. Needle number 2. Just ready it up. Needle number 2. Good.
Stacy?
Here. Ready? Put your hands. Good. Beautiful. Good. Needles around. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Take a look. Cool. The green ones. There you go. Hold it right here. Okay, there we go. So that's what we're doing. We're doing lateral meniscus, bucket handle lateral meniscus repair using the Stryker inside out sharp shooter system. So far we have 3 sutures. We have a vertical mattress and a couple of, 2 verticals, 1 horizontal. Pushing the meniscus up against the wall, I like to describe the basic technique. Always be compressing. The ABCs of meniscus repair. Always be compressing, and you cannot compress unless you have effective implants. That's what we're doing right now. Bucket handle lateral meniscus repair, saving a meniscus. Thank you.